Sick of your clutch arms doing this to your cables. I mean, this is the worst system ever. You can't tighten the screw. If you do, it chews up the cable. Everyone takes these out, puts in a bigger screw, clamps them down, blah, blah, blah. They put a thing through with a nut holder, and that chews up the cable. All kinds of stuff. So I got a quick fix for this. We are going to use this. I'll show you how we do it in a minute. I'm going to remove this screw, drill it out, and tap it for 6mm. Anyways, here is the finished product. And just show you, it's a quick little trick. It doesn't mar the crap out of your cables this way. It's a little V-groove right here, and the cable slides through. And I'll show you one on the other bike in a minute. But I got tired of the, it killing all the cables. So what I did is I took basically it's a 1/2 inch piece of aluminum I milled down on the lathe and made like a collar to go over it. And that way I could machine a flat spot because I needed something for the washer to push down. Now if you see, there's a groove. You see that V groove right there? It goes all the way through. The cable sits in there and the washer pushes down and holds it in place, but it doesn't chew it all up. So anyways, I drilled the hole straight through this where the factory one was and then tapped it with 6mm threads. So I put a 6mm bolt right through it. But that's my clutch arm and this works so good. So I'll stick this in a video because a lot of people try all these different things and this has been a boss. Anyways, here's a look and see how the cable pulls through. So that's how it clamps down.